What's up, guys? Today, let's just go for a quick test drive in this 2022 Acura ILX A-Spec Premium. Red interior. So the ILX A-Spec has the 2.4 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder with 201 horsepower. And one of my favorite things about this car is the dual clutch transmission. It's very sharp. This is a great daily driving vehicle. Great fuel economy. It's a stylish car. I know the interior is a bit outdated, but it is what it is, I mean, I like it personally. People talk a lot of crap about the ILX, but they don't realize that it's actually pretty fun to drive because of the crisp transmission. And you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is wired. You plug it in and it'll show up on the top screen, and you use this little dial right here to control that. Down here you can control your audio source. Here's your AC controls. You have heated front seats. But yeah, let's go for that quick test drive. That's your backup camera right there. And you have 3 different views. You can do a regular view, wide angle view, or just top down. This is actually one of my cars, and I use it pretty often. I like it a lot, As I said, it's very underrated. Seamless acceleration for it only having 201 horsepower. The dual clutch helps it, have pretty quick acceleration. Like look how quick the shifting is. And yes, I just using my phone for this drive, so I can't really demonstrate it much better than that. But so look at that instant response. I love it. You don't really get like a nice dual clutch, and most cars are on this price point from when it was new. It was $32,000 new. Right now you can pick one of these up, 2022 certified pre-owned or pre-owned, for like mid-20s, 25, 26, depends on the miles. This one only has 11,000 miles, so very low mileage. And you have a sunroof as well in here, which you can tilt. But yeah, I mean, and the handling is decent too in this car. Not as good as it is in a TLX. I used to also own a TLX A-Spec, 3.5 liter. That one had pretty good handling. Like, this one doesn't have precision all-wheel steer or anything like that, which Acura doesn't have anymore, but they used to. And if you get the Premium Plus Tech package, you'll also get the ELS 10-speaker sound system. This one has the Acura 9-speaker sound system, if I remember correctly. But yeah, for the price, it's a great car. Like, if you're considering this ILX A-Spec, definitely get it. And it's very stylish. I love the way it looks. I think it looks really, really nice, especially with the gray wheels. It's got a deck-lid spoiler. I think with the A-Spec, they did really good. And I like the red interior with the ultra suede inserts. The seats are very comfortable. You only have lumbar adjustment on the driver's seat. You don't on the passenger. And you also have to manually move it back and forth. You have oh no, wait, let me rephrase that. You don't have to move it manually back and forth. I'm thinking of the Integra. In this one, you're able to move it normally, but you just don't have lumbar support, which is cool. And the legroom in the back isn't too bad either, which is pretty surprising. You have adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, all of the Acura Watt safety features in here. You have the blind spot alert, road departure mitigation, road departure mitigation. You also have frontal collision warning as well, which you can turn off if it bothers you. But it works pretty well whenever you're about to hit something, and it'll intervene. And you have memory seats for the driver's side on this car. but remote start did not come with this vehicle. Yeah, thanks for watching this quick test drive video of the ILX A-Spec. A lot of more content coming out, so stay tuned. Please consider subscribing if you enjoy brief, simple automotive videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.